to the channel and to another video. I'm pretty excited to be here once again with all of you. Yeah, lately I have not been posting as I would like to. Life has just been very interesting, you know. So for those of you that follow me on social media, you can follow me here, which is my personal one. It's Brian P. Alvarez. It's just my personal life, like behind the scenes, what I'm doing, where I'm traveling to. I'm obsessed with photography and videography, so you see a lot of that stuff there. But if you want to follow content regarding to all things BMW, that's my Rad Bavarian. And yes, it's back on, it's live again. It was shut down for quite some time, and honestly, that was kind of disappointing on Instagram just because it couldn't verify me. We've been through some changes. So anyways, all I have to say is that account is back up and running, and it's going to be a dedicated German BMW related page, what I'm building currently, and all those sorts of things. So lastly, guys, I just want to apologize and just say, hey, you know what? I'm sorry. Just life happened. We moved into a bigger hall. You're in my garage, which is a lot bigger, which means more things to come to the channel, right? I'm finally settled in, hopefully, and so a lot more things happening. So lately, I've been working on my G82. Thank you so much to Kies Motorsports for sending me all those parts. Guys, I have a lot of things coming to this car, and it's fun building it. And honestly, I want to know from you guys, what is it that brought you to my channel, right? Why are you here? Why are you watching my stuff? Is it because you like the M4, right, the G82, or because of other stuff, right? The F30, the F36, the F32 content, the F chassis stuff. If that's the case, drop a comment below and let me know, because I'm here to provide value to you. And this one is a dream car of mine that I've always had since I was a kid. The M4, the G80 just came through and it was just perfect. But honestly, I want to make this channel suitable for my audience. So the M4 is fun. I want to build it as much as I can. And I have a amazing support from Kies Motorsports to get this to where I want it to be. So that's going to happen. I am attending quite a few local car meets and shows. So stay tuned and follow my Instagram, because you don't know where I'm going to be at. But guys, at the end of the day, I'm here to provide you guys value and to give you guys insight into building your own BMWs without spending a lot of money, right? You should be only spending money on parts, not necessarily somebody to install it for you. That's why we do these kinds of videos. That's why Thick Whips and Justin Views and Kies Motorsports exist, and others, because we are here to provide value to you, so that way you can save money on labor because you can do it yourself. And two, we can recommend the products that work for us and the parts that work for us. Right now, my trusted source, my trusted partnership right now is Kies Motorsports. They've actually been through the process from my first BMW, which was a 320i N20 motor, and that was fun. They were with me through the goods and the bads, and then finally I got my 440, and now I have the M4. So it's been quite a journey. But guys, either way, I just want to come here and just show up and say, hey, hello, and welcome to all the new faces. Welcome for those of you that are new, seeing me for the first time. Again, I have a lot of experience with the F chassis, so if you have any questions, drop a comment and I will answer it. But nevertheless, thank you so much, guys. I'm grateful for your support, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks a lot, guys.